Hello students, how are you all? I'm your new English teacher. My name is Abhishek Thomas. Today we are going to read our first chapter, The Fun They Had. In this story, we read about the school life. That is very good and we are fortunate that we have a real schools where we go meet friends and get a chance to study together. Now I'm going to read the chapter. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book. It was very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And then, when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read the first time. In this in this paragraph, the Margie was the main character. She is a girl of 11 years of age. She writes her diary on the night of 17th May 2157. As told earlier, the story is set in the future, 2157 year. So almost 1.5 a century, that is 140 years from now. At that time, Margie writes an entry in her diary. She writes that Tommy found a real book and she is feeling so strange because in her times real books do not exist. They only have e-books, the virtual books. So books in the format of print on paper are extinct, and so Margie is astonished to see a real book. Margie is reminded of her grandfather. He told her that his grandfather studied all the books they were printed on paper. So this kind of a book is historical or ancient for them. Something which they cannot believe, they can't imagine. Margie is talking about the book that Tommy had found. She says that the pages of the book had turned yellow and they had been crushed as it was very old. The children found it very funny to read the words which stood still. Now, what does it mean by the words that stood still? As the words were printed on the pages, they did not move. On the other hand, the books that Margie and Tommy read were online. So, in the e-books, how it happens? The textbooks are moving as your screen moves, but it was different in the books printed on paper. This was a very strange experience for these children. When you have a book which is printed on paper, whenever you flip the pages, you do get to see the something written on the pages. On the other hand, in an e-book, the text keeps on changing on the screen. The screen is same. You have the same screen in front of you, but the text keeps on changing. So, whenever you go back, the text is different. Thank you, students. I hope you understand this paragraph.